Good morning everyone. Biology class 10th. The next lecture is gaseous exchange in plants or gaseous exchange in the human beings. After that, there are some disorders also which are called the respiratory disorder. Respiratory disorders. Firstly, we list out the names. Number 1 is the bronchitis. Okay, the inflammation of the bronchi is actually called the bronchitis. Number 2, emphysema. Okay, third one is pneumonia, and the fourth one is asthma. So there is a 4 type of respiratory disorder. Actually, the mostly another one which is in the critical condition is the lung cancer. Extreme condition, extreme disorder. Okay, so how many disorders are? Number 1 is the bronchitis, the second one is the emphysema, the third one is the pneumonia, fourth is asthma, and the fifth one is the lung cancer. Now discuss one by one all the clinical features and what's the type of the disease is. The first one is bronchitis. What is bronchitis? Bronchitis. Bronchitis mean inflammation. Bronchi. So, the inflammation of the bronchi is called bronchitis. What are bronchi? The trachea open into 2 lobes which are called bronchi. They open in lungs. So these 2 are called bronchi. Okay, so there is inflammation present due to which you are not able to properly respire. It may be caused. It is caused by sometimes the bronchitis is due to the bacteria. What are the causes? The first one causes presence of the bacteria, the bacterial infection. The second one is the tobacco smoke, and the third one may be the presence of any virus. Okay, these are the causes of bronchitis. So when the bronchitis happens, then there is actually this way become block from what? Block from the mucus. What is the mucus? Mucus is actually a pus infection. Okay, the infection of pus infection. In common language we said it's a pus infection. Okay, so due to this there are 2 major bronchitis type. Bronchitis is also divided into 2 main type. One is the acute bronchitis, and the second one is chronic bronchitis. These are 2 medical terms actually. When we talk the acute, when we use this word acute bronchitis, this last it mean the no permanent damaging happens. Acute mean sudden, achanak. Okay, the meaning of acute, sudden attack आपको किसी चीज़ का आया. Okay, and in chronic, what is the meaning of chronic? That mean it's a silent disease. खामोशी से काफ़ी अरसे से आपके अंदर है. ओके, और वो जो है सिम्टम्स शो नहीं करी. The bronchi develop chronic inflammation means more than 2 to 3 months silently inside your bronchi, or maybe more than 2 to 3 years. And actually, the chronic disease is the main cause of cancers also, because it has the silent features. Sometimes you just feel light fever or the coughing and these type of the things, and you always ignore, but they becomes a totally covered your bronchi and the increased infection. This is actually chronic. Chronic means persist, काफ़ी अरसे से कोई चीज़ आपके है, and acute means sudden, suddenly आपको ये 2 weeks हो या इस तरह से. Okay. Symptoms of the bronchitis. What are the symptoms of bronchitis? Symptoms of bronchitis. Number 1, cough. Number 2, wheezing. सांस लेते हुए एक आवाज़ आना, जैसे कई दफ़ा बच्चों को इन्फेक्शन होती है तो एक वो आपके पास खड़े होकर अगर सांस ले रहे हैं तो नोज़ से उनके जू जू की ये जो आवाज़ है, ये एक्चुअली दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द विजिंग. द सेकेंड इज़ विजिंग. थर्ड वन इज़ द फीवर, समटाइम्स द चिल्स, then shortness of breath. Shortness of breath. Okay, the shortness of breath not always happens when you do a hard job. Okay, then you feel. The majority of the people diagnosed with the chronic bronchitis are 45 years of age and older. Chronic means chronic bronchitis is actually difficult to diagnose. Actually, at the age of 45, we know that the person is suffering from the chronic bronchitis. Many years he has this infection present in the bronchi. Now the bronchi are stopped the working. These things cause the death. The second one is emphysema. Okay, emphysema. There are actually some walls. When the trachea divides into the bronchi, then the bronchi further opens into the lungs and they change into the smaller vessels, the bronchioles, many vessels. And each bronchioles open grape-like structure called the alveoli. Okay? The grape-like structure. Grape-like structure called the alveoli. Alveoli. So this is actually the destruction of the walls of alveoli. Okay, the destruction, breakdown, destruction of walls of alveoli. Destructions of walls of alveoli. Okay, what is the meaning of the destructions of the wall of alveoli? Actually, this is the part of our respiratory system where the exchange of gases take place. Means carbon dioxide is exhaled out and oxygen from the lungs to the whole part of the, in the lungs actually there is take place the deoxygenated blood change into the oxygenated. Okay, then sent to the heart where it pumps throughout the body. So this is the main function of the human body. If there is some destruction on the walls of the alveoli, it results the larger sacs but less surface of the gaseous exchange. It must decrease the gaseous exchange. This destruction of the walls of the alveoli cause the decrease of gaseous exchange. Proper oxygen body parts तक आपके नहीं जा रही, exchange of carbon dioxide नहीं हो रही, these processes becomes not normal. As lung tissue breakdown, there are actually the cells are combined and form the tissue. If there is damaging of one cell, after one cell the next one, the third one, the fourth one, then this we said there is the damaging of the tissue. Tissue breakdown. Tissue breakdown. So the tissue breakdown, lungs do not come back to the original shape, exhalation. The process of exhalation becomes difficult. Okay, so air cannot be pushed out and is trapped in the lungs. Air, process of exhalation, difficult means the air trapped in the lungs. Trapped in the lungs. Okay. The symptoms, now the symptoms of the emphysema is few symptoms. The few symptoms similar like the bronchitis. There must be the, sometimes you feel the less breath, shortness of breath. Second is the fatigue. You feel tired, always tired, recurrent respiratory infection, daily the coughing and the mucus secretion, respiratory infections become increases. You always having this problem. And the last one is the weight loss. Okay. By the time the symptom of emphysema appeared, the patient usually lost 50 to 70% lung tissue. Okay. 50 to 70% part of the lung tissue become damaged at this stage. The level of oxygen so slow that it caused a serious complication. ऑक्सीजन प्रॉपरली जो है वो आपकी बॉडी में उसकी नीड है. अगर वहाँ पे लंग्स टिश्यू डैमेज हो रहे हैं देन दैट्स मीन नॉट ओनली आपकी रेस्पिरेशन, आपकी ब्रीथिंग पे फ़र्क आ रहा है, बल्कि ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई भी फुल बॉडी को होनी है वहाँ से लंग्स में क्लियर होने के बाद. तो वो आपको पूरी तरह से ये क्रिएट करेगी सीरियस कॉम्प्लिकेशन. ओके, सीरियस कॉम्प्लिकेशन मीन्स द डेथ ऑल्सो. Not only the pleural cancer, it also causes the death of a person. But if the person is more than 30 plus, then it's very dangerous for the patient. Thank you very much.